In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar to your Wix website. Whether you want to show how far a visitor is through a process, highlight completion on a project page, or simply add a dynamic visual to your layout, a progress bar is a quick, polished way to communicate progress at a glance. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. On the left side, click the Add button with the plus icon. From the menu, choose Interactive and then select Progress Bar. This category groups elements that respond visually, and the progress bar is one of the simplest to drop in and start using. Click it to insert or drag it directly onto your canvas. Next, place it where it makes the most sense for your design. Drag the progress bar to your chosen spot and let the smart guides help you align it neatly with other elements. You can stretch its width by pulling the side handles so it fits the space, like spanning the width of a column or sitting above a content block. If you're placing it near text or images, give it a little breathing room so it's easy to read and doesn't crowd other elements. Keep contrast in mind as you position the bar. It should stand out enough to be legible without overpowering your layout. Now click the progress bar to customize it. Set the percentage to represent the progress you want to display. This number typically runs from 0 to 100 and directly controls how much of the bar is filled. Think about what the percentage means on your page. Maybe it indicates how close you are to launching a feature, completing a class module, or finishing a fundraising goal. Next, choose the color. Pick a fill color that matches your brand and a background track color that keeps the filled portion easy to read. High contrast helps visitors instantly understand the status. Adjust the height to control how thick the bar appears. A slimmer bar looks subtle, while a taller one is more prominent. Finally, explore the style options. Depending on the preset you chose, you can switch to rounded or squared edges, choose a clean, solid style, or go for something with a bit more personality. The goal is to match the tone of your site, simple and sleek, or bold and expressive. Once you've placed and customized the bar, you're done. Keep your settings consistent across pages so visitors learn to recognize your progress style. That's all it takes to add a clear, professional progress bar to your Wix website.